I'm really excited because it's my first video and my new setup. I feel pretty official. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda. Nice to meet you. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe before you leave to stay updated with future videos. Today's video is my Ipsy September unbagging. So I reactivated my Ipsy account because I was very intrigued by the Ipsy Glam Plus, which is a very good competitor against BoxyCharm in my opinion. I'm really excited to be back on Ipsy, and I'm super excited to see them launch Ipsy Glam Plus and what it has to hold, what products we're gonna see. I've been seeing that you'll be getting 5 products and the box will retail for over $120, so that is awesome. But this is the standard one. I already slid it open because I didn't want to fail opening it on camera, but we are going to unbag and we're gonna apply some of these products. This bag is really cute. That is something I really love about Ipsy. You get a cute makeup bag to put all your products in. That's where they all come in. All right, I kind of blurred out, so let me just put it over my face. I know it's kind of hard to see what's inside. My favorite thing about Ipsy are the daily deals that they do. They had some of the Tarte lipsticks. They had 3 for $18. There's another set of lipsticks. You got 4 for I think 20 bucks or something like that. And today's deal is the Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette, which I already own, but amazing deals. So that is something that I really enjoy, and I love leaving the reviews on the products because you can redeem for other products in the charmer area. Let's see what I got. Ipsy, you get 5 products. Some of them might be full size. Most of them are the deluxe. Got it. Some of them are deluxe size, so I think this brush is my full size for the month of September. So when I reactivated my account, it said, congratulations, you got the Ipsy October bag. I'm like, all right, cool. But when I saw this in the mail, I was like, oh, I got September, sweet. So more bags the better. The first product is the Luxie 140 Detail Tapered Blender. I can already tell you're gonna get a bunch of use out of this brush. You can do under your eye, you can do some eyeshadow going, a lot of things. I already put foundation on and set everything, so I didn't know I was gonna get a brush like this, but I love Luxie brushes. This is what most all my Luxie brushes look like, with this cute little pink handle. I like this gray sleekness to this. And I saw their new brush launches all over Instagram, so I'm really excited to try them. I'm a huge fan of Luxie brushes. They are just some awesome brushes I have in my collection that I use on a day-to-day use. That's how I discovered the brand Luxie, was through Ipsy. A bunch of my previous bags that I've gotten in the past contain Luxie brushes and some of those Ipsy deals, and they're just so awesome. I love how these brushes perform. They don't shed and they last a long time. This next product right here is by the brand Ipsy. I'm not sure if I have used any products by Ipsy, but this is what it looks like. It is a Lush eyeshadow single. Ooh, it's a pretty shade. So let's just swatch. Ooh, it's a fun color. All right. Not bad. I like it. Let's just take a brush and spray some MAC Fix on it and apply. We're just applying all over the lid. I really like this chrome little eyeshadow we got going on. So far, we got 2 wins. Yes, I love wins. The next product, I've used this before. It is the Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. I love this brand. Okay, so I've gone on so many hair rants in my previous videos, and it's an affordable brand that you can find at Ulta, and I just saw it at Costco as well. They had their detangular. I had fun enunciating detangular. So I really like leave-in creams. I really like this brand. I like to put in leave-in creams like after I get out of the shower just to restore some moisture after, kind of like let it sink in my hair as it's drying. When I wake up the next morning, my hair is like really soft and smooth, and it helps maintain the frizz because I get frizz, like my hair everywhere. I mean, you can tell right now, but this stuff really does help. So I'm really excited to see this brand, see this type of product. And so win number 3. We have this Lord & Berry Flash Purple Eye Pencil. It's a really pretty color. I love purple. This would be good for homecoming in November. I'm just gonna apply it to my lower lash line. It applied really easily. So far, I don't see any smudging or creasing. Sometimes after I apply eyeliner on my lower lash and I blink, it smudges. So right now it looks really good. It's making my eyes pop, and I think it's a great color to bring in fall. I just want to see how it works throughout the whole day, just to get a really good sense of how it works. But right now, I'm loving that shade of purple, and go cats. And then we have one more product. We have the Trestique. I think this is like a lip crayon. Mini lip glaze. Okay. In the shade Mumbai Magenta. I've used this brand a couple times through Ipsy. I have a concealer stick, an eyeshadow stick, so I've not tried a lip pencil before. Ooh, that's what the inside looks like. All right, let's see how it applies on the lips. So the formula is not bad. I think overall we have a 5 out of 5 win. So this really does excite me getting back into Ipsy, and I'm really pumped for October's bag. So I know I'm not doing like a full look going on, looking a little ratchet, but I really liked how these products looked, how these products applied. Ipsy is $10 a month, and if you get like a full-size product, like I don't even know how much this retails for, but you probably paid for this and you got like these 4 things for free if you want to look at it that way, or this could be even more in values. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe for future videos, and I will see you then. Bye!